In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam mobile name. If you want to update the name other people see on your Steam profile, the good news is that you can do it directly from the Steam mobile app in just a few moments. This is useful if you want your profile to match a new username, refresh your online identity, or simply make your account easier for friends to recognize. Start by opening the Steam app on your phone. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log in first so you can access your account settings. Once you are inside the app, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This opens a menu with account-related options. From there, tap View Profile to open your public profile page. On your profile page, find and tap the Edit Profile button. This will take you into the section where your profile information can be updated. Here, you will be able to adjust the details that appear on your Steam account. Next, look for the General section. In that area, find the Profile Name box. This is the field that controls the name other people see when they view your Steam profile. Tap into that box and type the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and formatting before moving on, especially if you want it to appear a certain way. When you are happy with the new name, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap Save. After that, your updated profile name will be applied and should begin showing across your devices and games linked to Steam. And that's all it takes. As long as you follow these steps in the app, changing your Steam mobile name is quick and straightforward.